Funnel cakes, nostalgic fair food you can make at home. Trust the process, believe in yourself. Now let's sweeten things up. Get a medium-sized mixing bowl and a whisk. Add 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. Mix until incorporated. For the wet ingredients, you'll want to get a smaller mixing bowl. Add in 3 cups of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 4 eggs. Whisk until combined. Now pour your wet ingredients into your dry and stir until fully mixed. Now we are going to deep fry the batter. You can use a deep fryer or any pot of your choosing with at least 1 to 1.5 inches of vegetable or canola oil. Heat the oil up to 350 degrees. I'm going to use a batter dispenser, but if you don't have one, a squirt bottle works just as well. Add your batter into the dispenser and simply go in a circle and a little bit of a lacy pattern. It'll only take a couple of minutes on each side until it is done. Make sure to prepare a plate with a paper towel to place your cakes. Continue this process until your batter is gone. Funnel cakes turned out amazing. Let's see what David thinks. Hey David, come in.
I'm right here.
Coming in hot.
I was right there.
Yeah.
Like right there.
He's ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's see how much powdered sugar you can get on your shirt.
Oh no, I'm wearing black.
I hear the crunch.
These are good.
So good.
They are.
This brings back so many memories.
We should get some pie
doesn't it?
filling or something to put on these.
That works great too.
Oh.
Or Nutella. Oh, you could put anything
No,
on these
Nutella.
things.
Overrated. It's delicious, man.
If we can do it, you can do it. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. See you next time. Deep fried Oreos. Deep fried cheesecake. Decadent. Delicious. Nostalgic. Fair food. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Now let's sweeten things up. For this recipe, you'll need 3 cups of the batter we just made, cheesecake, which if you want to know how to make, we have a video you should watch on that, and any Oreo of your choosing. We are using regular and chocolate. Make sure your oil is 350 degrees. Simply dunk your Oreo and cheesecake into the batter, coating it all over. Place them into the oil and be careful not to burn yourself. Flip them over every 30 seconds or so until they are nice golden brown. Okay, deep fried Oreos and deep fried cheesecake. Smells amazing, looks amazing. Let's get David in here to try it out. David!
I'm right here. I'm right here.
This is the cheesecake. So decadent.
This is a leftover Biscoff, right?
Yes. It's the cheesecake that I made the other day.
God, I think that's good.
It's good. Let's try the Oreo.
Oh, yeah, that's what I need. Oh.
Deep frying makes everything better, doesn't it?
Look at that.
Right.
That's different. It don't even taste like an Oreo, really. It tastes like chocolate. Tastes like chocolate cake, and then cheesecake.
The cheesecake on top. The cheesecake is like really creamy once it's in the
She
batter
likes
and
me
deep
fat.
fried.
Yeah, she likes me grazing. Anyway, this is delicious.
Anyway,
Good job.
if we can do it, you can do it. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. And I'll see you next time.